Do you think Eunice was a bit jealous when she was talking about the relationship between Uli Hassa and Upriti? Do you think she wants that for herself more than it being a compliment from a friend to the other? Because reason why I asked this, because she says that if her boyfriend was still alive, probably she would be a Makoti as well. So which means that maybe by now she does not have anybody, and she see the friend succeeding, and she feels like it could have been me first before you. Why? Because she thought something like, I'm not comfortable around him, looking at the past, that from where we were there back then, and now where we are now. I feel like I'm not safe around him. Atige uchomza, no man. There isn't anything like that. You just need to calm down. Lo muntu lo sandlula lapho kulezo zinto lezo. And there's nothing that you should be worried about. But then one thing that I appreciated from Eunice is that she asked the question that I always had all this time and I've always been saying. Chomi, uamrata, are you happy? Le happy mo leleng? Do you feel like when u happy u content? Uh, that answer, I did not find it quite convincing to say, yes, I am happy, I'm content, and this is what I want to do. And Ivanga. And Ivanga Ngam, unless if I'm the only one that didn't hear it, because I did not hear pretty actually. I was tempe gorbona. Wa tempella gorbona motho o ke a morata ka pelo nama le matshwafo. Ha ka mo utlwa. Mara ntho ke itseng gore o a nyalwa. Ene motho o ke o mogolo mma. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skim Samdi Madekwana, Sanbonan Absheni Molweni Minjali, Hipukila Hingongwina. So namutlha ka nono kwa hina wa Skim Sam hikuma kurusla samseka gikatle, looking at the fact that Tukwezikazi is having flashbacks of everything that Okubes was saying to her, and while she was with her son, just how she is going to be left alone and with no lawyer and nobody to take care of her. And I think this is the time, this is the part where it will push her to go to Cubas and tell the truth of what has happened. Because right now, as Bugegi Gatli into Zaki, and it looks like, Uzaba thinking girl, especially if she's covering up for someone. Oh, well, we know she is covering up for someone, but again, she thinks she is in love, and love is blind, so they say. So she thinks she's doing the right thing, but then at what cost would you want to leave your child alone just so that a man can be happy? I don't know. Melita is ubuyile from la angazibeka kuphi, but ingane yakhe ithe we shouldn't be worried because uright la khona khona, and it shows that uright because she decided to come back with her sleepover bag and walked into the bath to her bedroom without talking to anyone. She just said dumelang atsena ibi uya ko phaposing ya hae. Now it raises eyebrows gore sa mathomo o tswa ko kae, because rising tatanga now le wa hae ba bolela, so we don't know gore o tswa kae or na bukile or anything, because ha gona explanation e re bolelang gore na le ko kae. Number 2, now she comes o robala mo sofeng a re ko obete wa itse nna taba tsa go lwa le wena ke kgathetse ka tsona. Obete a re itla ko mpetong, let's go to our matrimonial bedroom and re robale tse dingwe tse dingata-ngata re tla di sota out ka osane. A re bona ke nyaka mmereko wa ka morago, mara mmereko o ke o nyaka if Ivy ha bereke kwa. So obete a re bona le he nne ke rata gore ke tsamaise Ivy ne nka se kgone, because ha se nna o irang le decision di-decision ka go fela di ko HR, and nna mo ha ke na influence. A re ebe a robala ko sofeng. Mr Kgomo a shulo tsena ko phaposing ya hae, o mongwe o sala mo sofeng gore he the desire or the willingness gore ba solve taba e ha it was not concluded, because o mongwe le mongwe in fact o mongwe Melita o robetse mo sofeng, and then tate Kgomo a shulo tsena ka moreng ya hae, which means gore it failed, because o ne a re yena o gatetse go lwana, because ne a nagana gore tate Kgomo o tla tla ka maqheka e leng gore a ka kgona gore Ivy a tswe mmerekong. So that did not happen, and that got her upset, and then she continued sleeping on the sofa. My question is, she's going to sleep on the sofa for how long, and who cares? Well, the reason why I said who cares is because it looks like Ndade Kgomo, he's happy about his wife, well, his ex-wife, working where she's working. You can tell these feelings there. Nah, I cannot wait for the day when I see them together and I'll come back and say, Church and then no, just hold it there. Mr. Peterson, he is stuck between a rock and a hard place. Why? Because now Lehasa is the person that he contacts for more information. Now there's also this other person who happens to be the head of security who works with Nkosi, who happens to get arrested yesterday. The problem with this guy, uyambuza imbuzo yena kodwa akaphenduli. He's not giving anything that Mr. Peterson can use. But at some point, he then revealed with Lalela, you are going to go down for things that you don't know. But if you don't mind, then we can take you to jail. Kahle kahle la asifuni wena, sifuna abaphathi bakho. If ungasinikeza abaphathi bakho, you are able to go back scot free. But if awufuni ke kushuthi ejele kongena wena ke for into yokubulala ongazi lutho. Ningodofela mthotho nama nisongola. So he was like, okay, Mr. Peterson, what is it that you want from me? Ati lalela. I have the whole day. It's the 17th, the whole day. Get a chair, child. Let us stick it alendaba. So he sits down and we do not get to hear what he has to say, but it looks like Uzo Memeza, but Memezo wake, rest assured, I don't trust Memezo wake because for me, it looks like he's gonna memeza and throw somebody under the bus who is the incorrect person, just so that the evidence can start looking the other way. I don't think he's going to give Unkosi out. Why do I say that? At the end of the episode, Peterson went to Lehasa and say, "Are you working with Kwezi Gazi?" Why do I ask? And then Lehasa was very surprised. Why would you think Uguti, I'll give you information and then the next thing I turn my back and still go and work with the perpetrator? How does that work? So now Peterson was surprised to even learn that Ukwezigas and Kosio, they were in Eastern Cape. And he didn't know about that. And now he's putting two and two together. And at some point, I feel like the security guy lied to him and did not tell him the truth. And him not telling him the truth, that makes it changes everything. What is the credibility of the information that he's getting from this guy? So he cannot be trusted. We understand. So Lehasa decided to go to Kwezi's house and then he realized, now he's wondering how did they even afford this because child or child. Ukwezikazi is living large. She is living large and she's not telling imali from umtu. Anyway, Ivy sat down and had a prayer session, and that prayer session was so emotional and so touching. And she was stating how she has been through a lot and she's asking God to help her so that whatever that she is going through now, this beautiful season that she's stepping into that has a world of positivity, may not pass her by.